My Toshare's friends contacted me and sent me these markers, so today we are going to show them and put them to the test with a series of steps that are presentation, saturation, mixing, and price. So let's go with the presentation. To be honest, the presentation is very nice. It comes in this bullet and the colors are very striking. Here you can see that they also give us a white gel pencil, which is greatly appreciated. And here we can see the presentation. It comes in a kind of base to organize the colors. Here we can see the bevel. The bevel tip and the brush tip are really appreciated a lot. So let's go with the fiery test that will be saturation. We're going to be using 3 tones, and as you can see, the saturation of these markers is really good. So approved. Let's go with the most important test. What will be the test of mixing? See how they blend together. Here we can see that I use 2 shades, obviously yellow, and we're going to start degrading those colors. And really my humble opinion is that they mix in a really easy and great way. Let's do another test of mixing because that's really important. We go with the gray tone from light gray tone to dark gray tone to black practically. And I want you to see this blend in a really nice way. The color saturation is flawless. Let's do another little mixing test, I repeat. For alcohol-based markers to be good, they must blend perfectly with each other. And these Toshare markers do it in an incredible way. And not only that, but at the end of this video, there'll be a present for you, so stay until the end of this video.
Let's do the last test now.
Of mixing, because what is saturation and mixing is really approved.
And apart from that, the presentation is very nice.
Here I was playing, saying it really looks like a Pokemon. Let's go with something that I wanted to make these shades from the Toshare brand. Something I like is that they have a lot of grays. And really, if you are an artist, grays work for a lot of things, mainly for shading. And we're gonna do this. We are going to give this Pikachu an epic shadow, and with the 0 tone that would be practically alcohol, we are going to blur it to the maximum. And now yes, the most important thing. The best part of all this is the price, 29 bucks. And they are giving you 40 markers and a white brow gel pencil. This is a bargain. And if it still doesn't seem enough to you, with my code that will be appearing here on the 25th and the 28th, they will be giving you a discount on any purchase of these markers. For more information, in the first comment and in the description of this video. Really, this is a bargain. So, you know, this would be the perfect gift for you or your child. If you're watching this video with your parents, you know, it's the best deal they're going to have only here on your channel. So until the next video, and God bless me. This drawing is really epic. It looks realistic.